Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make Indian takeaway and restaurant quality chicken pakoras. To make chicken pakoras, you will need 400 grams of chicken cut into strips or bite-sized chunks, 50 grams of garam or besan flour, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri or mild chilli powder, quarter teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 whisked egg, 30 millilitres of water, the juice of half a lemon, 1 teaspoon of garlic puree, 1 tablespoon of tandoori paste, and some oil for frying. In a bowl, combine the flour, the salt, chilli, and the coriander. Mix while adding the eggs. Then slowly add the water. Followed by the lemon juice, garlic, and tandoori paste. Heat your oil to 175 Celsius or 347 Fahrenheit. Sprinkle a little flour on the chicken to help the batter stick, then dip it in the batter. Do not leave the meat sitting in the batter as the salt will start drawing out the water. Drop carefully into hot oil for around 5 minutes to give a crisp shell. It is important not to let the oil drop below 170, as you may find the batter comes out soggy if you cook at a lower temperature. Transfer to some paper towels to drain, then serve while hot. Please remember to like and subscribe, and check out this and other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.